I tell you, if he does not get up to give him whatever he needs because of the friendship, he will get up to give him whatever he needs because of his persistence. And I tell you, ask and you will receive. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be open to you. For everyone who asks, receives. And the one who seeks, finds. And the one who knocks, the door will be opened. What father among you would hand his son a snake when he asks for a fish? Or hand him a scorpion when he asks you an egg? If you then, who are wicked, know who to give good gifts to your children, how much more will the Father in heaven give the Holy Spirit to those who ask Him?
The Gospel of the Lord.
Praise